Face mommy. Watch daddy. Watch the ball. Oh.
Got my gosh.
Thank you. Ready? Face mommy. Watch the ball. Face mommy.
Feet towards me.
Feet towards mommy. Watch the ball. Whoa!
Whoa!
Right here.
Wow.
Take a step this way.
Really high
really
to
high,
the clouds.
Maddie, take a step this way. Towards daddy. Right there. Alright. Watch the ball.
Whoa!
Let me give you a kiss. Is that your finger?
Oh, what happened?
Off my fingers.
Oh no.
It'll be okay.
That was good, Maddie.
You're doing a really good job. Want to hit another one? Alright.
Feet towards the house.
Watch the ball.
Woo!
3. Watch the ball. Oh. Yes, there is grass there.
No, she tripped over the light.
Oh, did she? Alright, ready? Feet towards the house. Watch the ball.
It's too late.
Too late.
You were too early. The ball's not getting too late. Ready? Face the house. Watch the ball. Oh,
Too late.
no, that was a good swing. The ball was just hot. Alright, ready?
Get the ball.
Face that way. We're going to use these two.
Get the ball.
Watch the ball. Oh, almost. That was daddy's ball. Alright, ready? Face the house. Watch the ball. Oh.
Too late.
Maddie. Maddie, you're doing so good.
Ready? Stay right there.
Where's the ball?
Right here. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Face the house. Watch the ball. Watch the ball. Ready? Almost.
Too late.
Bat on your shoulder. Watch the ball. Figure if I throw it at her, if I hit it.
What?
When she starts swinging really like that, if I throw it at her, I might catch up with the bat. Alright, face that way. Watch the ball. Almost. That was a really good swing. Do that again, okay? Almost. Too far.
Hit one more for the video, Maddie.
Oh. Alright. Face the house. Look at the ball. Bat on your shoulder. Oh, it's a bad pitch. Ready? Watch the ball. Hit these ones. Ready? Daddy's fault. Daddy threw it too low. Ready? Bat on your shoulder.